have. Hi friends, in this video you will learn about the top 5 mobile phone apps that every gardener needs to have on their phone. As a bonus, I'll talk about other apps that can be used to replace some of these top apps at the end, so stick with me. Let's do this! Whether you like it or not, gardening is becoming techy these days, and some of these new gadgets and apps can make gardening a lot easier and increase the chances of success. Nevertheless, there are other techs that rather complicate things and make gardening worse than it actually is. We've created some apps that will help you to enjoy gardening and make the most of it. I must say, we are not affiliated with any of these apps and do not receive commissions for listing them in this video. We just hope you find them as useful as we do. Number 1. Plantis, your crop doctor. If you are frequently freaked out by slight changes in leaf color or behavior of plants in your garden, this is a must-have app. This app helps in the detection of diseases and nutrition deficiencies on selected crops. Just point your camera to the plant, take a picture, and scan it. If you have the picture already on the phone, you can also scan it. Within a short time, the app will tell you the problem and suggest solutions to it. The app also has fertilizer recommendations for specific crops calculated based on your plot size. This makes it very useful for gardeners, farmers, and researchers alike. Number 2. Picture insect and spider ID. Bugs or insects are frequently sighted in the garden or home. It is difficult to tell beneficial insects from pests that can damage your crops. This app is great for identification of bugs, which will help you to distinguish between beneficial bugs from pests. It also recommends control measures in the case of pests. You start off with a trial version that has premium features, but after the trial period expires, you can pay for premium version or stay with a free version which has some limitations. I use a free version and it still works for my needs. You just take a picture with the app and scan it to identify the bug. You can also use images from your gallery. Number 3. PlantNet plant identification. This app is great for identification of different plants. It will therefore help you to distinguish between weeds and beneficial herbs in your garden. Beneficial herbs can be used to diversify your diet or even help cure certain ailments. The app is free with the option of in-app purchases. It works in a similar manner as the previously mentioned apps. You just take a picture and scan it. You can do a general scan or scan within specific selections. Number 4. Planter Garden Planner. If you have a big space for gardening, this planner is great for planting different vegetables and fruits in that space. It will also help you to establish a crop calendar for easy tracking of sowing dates, watering, fertilizer application, and general garden or plant care. You can choose a crop you want to grow, and it will suggest varieties as well as the right time to start planting. This app works quite well and is free to use with the option for in-app purchases. Number 5. Planter Care for your plants. If you are constantly forgetting to water your plants or give them the needed care, this app is for you. It helps you to take good care of your plants. However, it is great for those who have potted indoor or outdoor houseplants. It's also free to use but has in-app purchases. Now here is the bonus as promised. Picture this: Plant Identifier, Plant ID, Plant Identification, and Leaf Snap are apps that work similarly as PlantNet and can help you to identify plants in your area. That's all for today. I must say that these are mostly Android apps, but some of them have iOS versions and there are also alternatives. Also, Google Lens can replace the second and third apps if you don't want to have too many apps on your phone. Have you used any of these apps, or do you have apps that you use but are not mentioned here? Share your experience in the comment section. If you found this video useful, toggle that like button and share it so more people can benefit from it. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos or see you in our next. Until then, It's adios.